why do we need to attend couples retreat?
Well, for one, it's the most influential relationship you'll ever have. Your relationship with your spouse. With your spouse. So, pag tinignan mo, it's the most impactful relationship. How you handle your marriage will greatly affect almost every sphere of your life. I mean, sa parenting mo, sa business mo, sa church mo. I mean, how you handle your marriage will determine all the external factors in your life. Having said that, hindi ba common sense lang na we should invest in our marriages? If it's the most important, most impactful, most influential relationship ever. So you might as well know how to, invest in that part of your life. So kaya kailangan mo talaga umattend ng mga ganitong klaseng event not just for you, but for the future generation's sake. So keep investing in your marriage because you'll never know. 100 years from now, they'll be blessed because of what you're doing today. Yun!
Pagdating namin dito, medyo mainit ang ulo ni Glenn, ni Tutut, at saka ni... Sino pa isa? Si Roel. Ang away naman nila si Grace.
Sorry, because I'm from the international table.
Sabi ko, ako yung madala. Pero pag nadinig na ako ng masama, tatahimik ka.